Oh, good day, guys. You're welcome to Browsing Text on YouTube channel. I've specially prepared this video for beginners, people that are just getting started with cryptocurrency, and they will try to know their ways around cryptocurrency. If you're trying to get started with cryptocurrency and you want to understand how to use Trust Wallet, then this video I'm going to show you how you can use Trust Wallet, starting from how to open a Trust Wallet account, how you can add any coin of your choice to your Trust Wallet account, and if you want to send and receive any form of coin in your Trust Wallet. I'll be showing you how to copy all Trust Wallet address, let's say ERC20, BEP20, TRC20, and etc like that. I'll be showing you everything in this video. You're welcome. You're welcome back. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is a newly downloaded Trust Wallet application. If you just download the Trust Wallet application, this is how it will look like. Once you open your Trust Wallet application for the very first time, this is the interface you will see when you open the application. If you haven't downloaded the Trust Wallet application before, I will drop a link below this video in the description section, so you can use the link to download the Trust Wallet application, the verified version. So if you want to open a Trust Wallet account, all you have to do is to go to your Play Store, open your Play Store application, then search for Trust Wallet, or use the link I'm going to drop for you in the description section below. It's very advisable for you to use the link I'll be dropping for you below, because it will take you directly to the original version of Trust Wallet application. So if you want to open a Trust Wallet application, so if you want to get started with Trust Wallet, all you have to do, the first thing for you to do is to open the Trust Wallet application. Then you can now think of adding any favorite coin you want to add. Maybe you want to copy, you are required to provide a specific link, maybe your wallet address, maybe your BEP20 wallet address, maybe ERC20 wallet address. Then after opening your wallet, I will now show you how to do all those things. So first of all, let's get started. Once you open your Trust Wallet application for the very first time, all you have to do is to click on create a new wallet button. Once you click on create a new wallet button, you'll be taken to this ledger page. On getting to this ledger page, if you have interest to read the privacy policy and terms of service, you can go ahead and click on it to read. But for now, I've read it already, something like that. So I'm going to click on this box directly. So once I click on this box, I'm going to be able to continue. Then I'll click on this continue button. So this is a notification, back up your wallet now. So these are your 12 phrases, your wallet 12 phrases. These are the passwords to your wallet. These are the keys that will give you access to your wallet. Once you lost this key, then you don't have access to the wallet anymore. So you have to take this key seriously. So all you have to do now is to click on I understand, then click on continue. Once you click on continue, then the 12 key phrases will be shown to you. These 12 key phrases, all you have to do is to copy it and put it in a safe place. You can write it down somewhere that is very safe and secure. So make sure you don't lose this 12 phrases key. These are the key that are going to give you the access to your wallet at any point in time. So if you need to, maybe you uninstall your wallet, or anything happens to your phone and you have to reinstall Trust Wallet, you'll be required to restore your wallet, and you will need these 12 key phrases. So all we have to do now is to click on copy key phrases. Once you click on copy key phrases, then paste it somewhere. For the purpose of this guide, let me just paste it somewhere in WhatsApp here. So this is the 12 key phrases. Then you go back to the Trust Wallet. Once you get back to this Trust Wallet, you click on continue. Once you click on continue, then you have to verify the recovery phrase. So you tap the word accordingly in their ascending order, the first one. So all we have to do now is to check the first wallet. So the first 3 phrases here is April moment romance battle spray. So April moment romance battle, moment romance battle spray. Then you check writer open bicycle alt. What happened? So white open bicycle, can you see? So we have to select it, alt affect planet invite, alt affect planet. So we're done. I'm now good to go. So I have placed it in the ascending order. So once I've choose this, all I have to do here is to click on done. Once I click on done, then my wallet will be created. Can you see? Your wallet was successfully created. So this is my newly created Trust Wallet account. So you have been able to open a Trust Wallet account successfully. So that's all, guys. That's all on how to open Trust Wallet account. So now that you've opened the Trust Wallet account, you might want to add a coin of your choice to the Trust Wallet. So if you want to add any coin to your Trust Wallet, maybe these are the default coins that are enabled on your Trust Wallet account: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain with Binance Coin. So if you want to add any additional wallet, let's say I want to add Tron wallet, so all I have to do is to click here. Once I click here, I will be taken to this search box. Then I will type Tron here. If I want to add Tron, can you see? This is Tron. Once I see the coin I want to activate, I will click on this toggle to on it. Once I click on this toggle to on it, that's all. Then I can now come back to the wallet. Can you see? The coin will be activated already. Can you see? So that's all on how to add coin. Let me add another coin to the wallet. Let's say I want to add a link. Can you see? This is Chainlink. It will bring it. So any coin you want to add, you search for it here. You search for it here. Then you add it, and it will be shown in your wallet here. But in case maybe you want to add a coin to your wallet and the coin doesn't appear here, when you search for it here, the coin is not found. So all you have to do is to add the coin manually. You can click on the suggestion link above. We've discussed in details how you can add custom token to your Trust Wallet application. Click on that suggestion link. Once you click on suggestion link, watch the video, then you are going to understand fully how you can add custom token to your Trust Wallet. So that's on how to add coin to your wallet. So if you want to send and receive coin, so all you have to do is to click on, let's say you want to send Binance Smart Chain. You want to send and receive Binance Smart Chain. All you have to do is to click on this any coin. Let's say you want to receive Binance, you click on Binance Smart Chain. I'm just using Binance Smart Chain as an example. So you'll be given this option. This is send option. This is receive button. This is copy. If you click on this copy icon, then the address to your wallet will be copied to your clipboard. Then you can now use this address to receive wallets to your coin. Or you click on this, preferably you click on this receive button. Once you click on this receive button, you'll be redirected to this page. Once you get to this page, then you copy this copied icon. This wallet is what you will use to receive Smart Chain. As you can see, this notification: send only Smart Chain to this address. Sending on any other coin may result in permanent loss. Can you see? So that is Smart Chain address. That's Smart Chain address. So if you want to receive Smart Chain, that's how you copy your address. Let's say you want to receive Tron, you will click on Tron, you will click on receive, then you will click on copy, and your Tron receiving wallet address will be copied to your clipboard. You can now give it to the person you want to. Maybe you want to buy Tron from the person, or you want to transfer Tron from one exchange to your Trust Wallet app for storing purpose. Then you can now use this address to receive the Tron you want to receive. So that's on how to withdraw receive. Okay, that's how to receive receive trust coin to your Trust Wallet app. So if you want to, let's say you want to send coin out of your Trust Wallet, all you have to do is to click on the coin you want to send. Let's say you want to send Chainlink out of your Trust Wallet, click on it, then click on send. Once you click on send, you'll be taken to this interface. Then the recipient's address, you paste it here. The amount of link you want to send, you type it, then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, you follow the prompts and the coin will be sent to the person that wants to receive the coin. So if you want to, for your wallet security, if you want to activate passcode for your wallet, let's say you don't want free access, as I open this wallet like this, if I leave this wallet now and someone else have access to my phone and open this wallet, there will be no security check for this wallet. So if you want to activate fingerprint security or passcode security for your wallet, all you have to do is to click on settings, then you click on security. Once you click on security, can you see this is passcode? It is off. All you have to do is to on it. Once you on it, then you select the code you want to use. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 6 digits. You will use 6 unique digits. For example, I will press 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is for example purpose. This is for testing purpose. If you want to create your own, you will use unique passcode. So I'm just using this as an example. So I've set this like this. So the application, I've enabled passcode for the application. So whenever I want to have access to this application, I'll be required to enter this passcode before I can have access to the account. So that's how to enable the security passcode for your wallet. So I think I've shown you how you can open your Trust Wallet account right now. I show you how to send and receive coin. I've shown you how to enable passcode. I've shown you how to add your favorite coin to your Trust Wallet application. Okay, if you want to, let's say you are participating in any airdrops, you can, before you, maybe if you want to participate in any airdrops, I would advise you to watch a video that is suggested above. The video is on Trust Wallet security. So I've given you some advice on how to participate in Trust Wallet in any airdrops. So you can watch the video to gain 1 or 2 things there. So let's say you want to participate in any airdrops and the airdrops requires you to provide BEP20 address, ERC20 address, or TRC20 address. Then your BEP20 address is Smart Chain wallet address. Your ERC20 is your Ethereum wallet address, and your TRC is your Tron wallet address. I hope you understand this. So that's on how to operate Trust Wallet application. If you are a beginner and you are trying to get started in cryptocurrency space, I think with this overview, you can be able to know your ways around Trust Wallet application. If you have any question after watching this video, or you have anything that isn't clear to you about this video, drop it in the comment section of this video, and I'll be glad to provide the appropriate response for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day.